Before the video starts, I wanted to get you guys caught up on what we're going to be doing. So today we're doing Infection over at Gorilla Airsoft down in Bakersfield. And right now I have Knight using a M870.
Inside there. Yeah, you can go right here. Shit, oh shit, oh shit, they're getting close. Good, I think we should peel.
Peel what?
Peel, wait, A5, A6. Off of A6, that's it, just a little.
Time to bring the shotgun out.
Having fun with it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I've gotten like 4 of them already, so.
I remember one of my friends bought like a $20 shotgun stringer off of him. And it was just the perfect like little medic gun. I was just sitting there just running around with it, light as hell. If I needed to shoot someone, I could.
Left side! Left side, left side!
Guys,
Hit! I'm hit. The what? Alright. Got one right here behind B6. got Justin. He didn't call it good. Hold on. Let me count.
Here. Take the mag. I saw you two fuckers right there and I just started unloading.
Right in the fucking nose. It's like a little head peek.
You barely dodged that shotgun I shot
no,
at.
I said like this and then I just pulled back and started.
I got a shotgun in my arms. I ain't gonna do that shit.
You know the best part? Oh, I gotta get a hold there. Just gotta get the. Oh. Oh. Well.
So fast that I see the BBs go by me like this.
The 3?
Yeah. I was like, oh shit.
Had the dog in me.
Did you have the dog in you?
I had the fucking dog in me. I just followed you in. I used you as that hardest push I could. Thank you. It's just a cheap one, but it works. And I have 32s in it, so you know. It's like a sniper rifle at this point.
I just picked this thing up over Christmas. I didn't even think it would get there.
Yeah.
You gotta get the Milwaukee drill kit for it.
Yes. I love it, dude. The Milwaukee drill, the one that I've been trying to get.
It makes this thing look like a drill.
Yeah.
Oh shit, you actually got it.
Yeah.
If I see for a second? Yeah, sure. That's fucking dope.
Takes Glock bags, right?
Yeah.
That's what you want.
Really?
Yeah.
That actually feels really good in the hand too.
Yeah.
It's just a Ruger 22.
Is this that pulls
Yeah.
back?
Yep.
That's what I
You already
thought.
have block mags, there you go.
Yeah.
That's fucking sick.
I gotta get another one though. This thing runs out too quick.
Okay.
Do you use the full auto on it?
Just get the drum for it.
So what I'm gonna do? You're a zombie. Boom.
Where we going? Let's go right side.
No, fuck yes, we're going mid. Good. Right there, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna move back to you guys. Nothing, you guys said you want to stay alive.
Yeah, that's the goal.
Here, let me get that corner instead of you, Cody.
Why? Mike shoots pretty damn far.
You're using slugs.
Pretty much.
You want to put a sniper scope on it? Sniper over here. Hey, we got this sniper.
We don't know why we're angry at them.
But they're blue.
You see those fuckers over there? You see them? Yeah.
Yeah.
They have done absolutely nothing wrong, but they're blue.
I don't like the wood.
Hey, can you see that front all the way down?
Alright. Fuck with it.
Oh shit. Walking right.
Why does it sound like you're shooting chocolate? Alright. In real life, I'd be yapping. Alright. Go. Like a little
How you doing, buddy?
Decent.
That's good.
Can't shoot anyone.
There's one in B6 right here.
Oh! He hit my scope. Sniper got traded. We need to move back, Cody.
Yeah.
A1, A2, A3.
What did Justin saying he's gonna put? What did you saying? Oh, let's push the fucking log pile, you fucking pussy.
Okay, we need to move. We need to move now. Ready?
Yeah.
Low run. Low run. Good. They're pushing back. Okay. On left. Branch pile. Branch pile. I'm moving up there. Go under.
A6, A6. Hey.
No!
That's all, folks.